Let's begin with the first program. This is the first program where we'll be printing hello world in Java. So open your BlueJ and then click on new project and give the name of a project. Project is nothing but it's a name of the folder you are selecting where you'll be saving your classes or files. Now to create a new class, you have to click on new class button that is given on the leftmost side, and once you click on it you have to give the name of the class. Now there is a rule for that. There are actually many rules, but I'll be highlighting some right now. First is you can name it by using letters, numbers and underscore only. Next is the name should always start with a letter. It should not begin with number. It should start with a letter as well as underscore. So you can name it anything. Like here I have named it as prog1, prog1, as this is the first program. Now when you click on it, you will get a box there, a brown colored box. You can click on this box to write your program. Now once you click on this box, you will be getting an editor where you will be typing your program. Now when the text editor is open, it will have a default program written there. So you can do one thing, you can select everything that is written and delete it at once. To select, you just have to click on Ctrl and A from your keyboard, and then you have to press on delete button from the keyboard. The first word that you will be typing will be class, CLASS, and it is same, you cannot change it. It's a reserved word stored in Java. Now after that you have to name the class. This name should be the same as you have given the name while creating a class in the beginning. After this, write public static void main, which is also a fixed line that you have to write to begin your Java program. Now, after public static void main, you'll open a brace and write string with capital S, ARGS. You can change this ARGS, but right now we'll keep it as it is, and then square braces open and close. Close your circular brace and open the curly braces of your public static void main. Here I would like to draw your attention towards the curly braces. These curly braces play a very vital role in writing up your program. Now in this program we'll just print hello world. So for printing you have to write system.out.print, then square braces, and you will write what you are going to print. In this certain example, I am going to write hello world. So this word or the phrase that I'm going to print, I'll be writing this within the double quotes. It is applied for everything that you want to print. If you want to print something as it is, either be it your name, your city name, your phone number, your address, anything that you want to print as it is, you're going to put double quotes before and after that phrase, sentence or entity, and you're going to put a semicolon. Now this semicolon is very important. Like in your English language, when you end a sentence, you'll be putting full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. These three signs mark the end of your sentence. Similarly in Java, when you end a line, you have to put semicolon. Putting the semicolon means your line is completed, it is ready to get executed. Don't forget that you have to close the braces you have opened. Every time a brace is open, that means you are starting something. So as soon as you finish that, you have to end that. So in this you have to end the curly braces of public static void main and class. Okay, now we are ready to compile and run. There are two processes, compile and run. Click on the compile button that is on the top, and at the bottom you'll see a message. If there's any error, you'll be seeing the error message. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to minimize it, come to your previous page which is having a box that has a name of your class. Click on that, actually double click on that. Now select void main from that dialog box. You'll be getting a dialog box. Just click on OK button from this dialog box and you'll get the answer. Now you can see the answer in a terminal window. That is the output window for BlueJ. So you can see your hello world printed.